Okay, let's be real. If you've been online in the last year, you've probably heard it. AI is going to make you rich. Just type a prompt and money magically appears. You've seen the gurus flashing screenshots, promising passive income while you sleep with zero effort. And if you're like most Americans, you've probably tried a few of these AI side hustles only to feel deflated, confused, maybe even a little ripped off. Well, I'm here to tell you, you are not alone, and it's not your fault. The truth is, most of what's being peddled as AI side hustles is either outdated, oversold, or just plain bad advice. It's hype, not hustle. But here's the game changer. AI can absolutely help you make real money. Not tomorrow, not passively while you nap, but by transforming how you build and run legitimate service businesses. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We're moving beyond the empty promises and into the world of agentic AI, using AI as your super-powered co-pilot to start businesses that actually pay. No coding, no hype, just practical, actionable strategies for everyday people like you. If you're ready to stop chasing shadows and start building real income, stick with me. Part 1. The shift from hype to reality. All right, let's break down why most of the AI money advice you've heard isn't working. The core problem, it's focused on the tool, not the business. Think about it. When the internet first came out, no one said, start an HTTP side hustle. They said, start an online store using the internet. AI is the same. It's a powerful tool, but it's not the business itself. The hype says, just generate AI art and sell it on Etsy, or have AI write an ebook and self-publish. While technically possible, the market is now flooded. Everyone has access to the same basic tools. Without a unique service, a targeted client, and a clear value proposition, you're just adding noise to an already crowded room. You're trying to win a race by just having the same car as everyone else, but no driving skills or a destination. What actually works is using AI as an agent, not just a tool you poke, but a strategic partner that amplifies your existing skills or helps you develop new ones faster. An agent is someone who acts on your behalf to achieve a goal. Think of AI as your most efficient, tireless employee, handling the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on the high-value work, client relationships, strategy, and problem-solving. This is the paradigm shift for 2026. Instead of creating basic AI content, we're going to use AI to become incredibly efficient at delivering valuable services that businesses and individuals actually pay for. These are services with real demand, where speed, quality, and personalization matter. And with AI, you can deliver all three at a level that would be impossible for one person alone, allowing you to charge more and scale faster. For example, instead of just generating a generic blog post with AI, you use AI to research niche keywords, outline a compelling structure, draft the initial content, and then you come in to inject your unique voice, expertise, and polish it for a specific client's brand. The AI does 80% of the heavy lifting, saving you hours, and the client gets a top-tier piece of content that looks like you spent days on it. That's the power of Agentic AI. This approach means you're not just another AI content creator. You're an AI-powered marketing specialist, an AI-enhanced content strategist, or an AI-assisted business consultant. You're leveraging the future, but still providing a very human, very valuable service. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich smart and sustainably. And you don't need to be a coder or tech genius to start. If you can use a computer and follow instructions, you can do this. Part 2. 3 real AI service businesses for beginners. So, now that we understand the shift, let's get concrete. Here are 3 powerful, beginner-friendly AI service businesses you can start building this week without any complex coding or huge upfront investment. These are real market demand right now in 2026. Number 1. the AI-powered local business content creator. Think about all the small businesses in your local area: the dentist, the local restaurant, the independent real estate agent, the gym owner. They all need content to stay relevant online: social media posts, email newsletters, local blog articles, Google business profile updates. They know they need it, but they're too busy running their business to create it consistently. This is where you come in. You don't need to be a marketing agency. You simply offer to be their AI-enhanced content assistant. Using AI tools like ChatGPT or similar language models, you can rapidly generate ideas, draft social media captions, write email templates for promotions, and even craft local SEO-optimized blog posts about community events or special offers. You then personalize, fact-check, and schedule it for them. Imagine being able to create a month's worth of social media content for a local coffee shop in just a few hours. That's a service they'd happily pay hundreds of dollars for, freeing up their time and making their online presence shine. Your unique selling proposition is speed and efficiency, powered by AI but delivered with your human touch. Number 2, the AI-assisted digital product designer. Before you panic and think design, hear me out. In 2026, people are hungry for simple, effective digital tools: planners, trackers, templates, even basic logos or infographics. But they don't want to spend hours making them from scratch. Using AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E, or simpler tools like Canva with AI features, you can create stunning visual assets in minutes. You can design custom digital planners for students, budget trackers for families, unique social media templates for influencers, or even simple ebook covers for authors. The AI handles the complex design elements, the aesthetic choices, and the initial layout. Your job is to understand the problem the client wants to solve. Do they need a better way to track their spending? Do they want eye-catching posts for their new small business? You use AI to rapidly prototype and create these assets, and then you add the final polish and make sure they meet the client's specific needs. You sell them a ready-to-use digital product that they can brand and distribute. This is incredibly high value, and the AI dramatically reduces your time investment. Number 3, the AI-enhanced real estate marketing assistant. Real estate agents, mortgage brokers, and property managers are always looking for an edge. They need compelling property descriptions, engaging social media posts about listings, market updates for clients, and personalized outreach emails. This is a massive, evergreen industry that thrives on communication. You can offer to craft hyper-specific, emotionally resonant property descriptions using AI that highlight unique features and local neighborhood benefits. You can generate market analysis summaries for their newsletters, draft scripts for video tours, or even create compelling social media ad copy for new listings. The AI can rapidly pull data, identify selling points, and structure persuasive language. Imagine an agent gets a new listing. You can turn around a detailed, captivating description, a series of social media posts, and an email blast for their client list in under an hour, something they would take half a day. This directly helps them sell faster and look more professional, making your service invaluable. The demand for quality content in real estate is insatiable, and AI lets you meet it efficiently. Part 3. Finding clients and scaling your AI business. Okay, you've got the vision, you've picked a niche. Now, the million-dollar question: how do you find clients and start getting paid? This is where many aspiring entrepreneurs stumble, but with an agentic AI mindset, you're already ahead. Step 1. Start local, start small. Your first clients are often right under your nose. Think about those local businesses we talked about earlier: the independent gym, the hair salon, the local bakery, the family-owned construction company. These are businesses that know they need help but can't afford a full-blown agency. Offer them a trial project or a deeply discounted first service to prove the power of what you can do. Go in person or send a personalized email. Don't say, "I use AI." Say, "I can help you create engaging social media posts that bring more customers to your store in less time than you'd expect." Show them an example you generated specifically for their business.
The key is to solve a clear problem they have. Step 2. Master online marketplaces. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized platforms for writers or designers are still powerful. But here's the trick. Don't just create a generic profile. Create a profile that clearly states you offer AI-enhanced your service for your niche. For example, instead of "I write blog posts," say "I craft SEO-optimized blog posts for real estate agents, supercharged with AI for rapid delivery and market insights." Be specific. Highlight your efficiency and your ability to deliver high-quality work quickly. Create a compelling portfolio of AI-assisted samples tailored to your niche. Show, don't just tell.
Step 3. Build a simple showcase. You don't need a fancy website to start. A free LinkedIn profile, a dedicated Facebook page, or even a simple Instagram account can be your portfolio. Use AI to create examples of your work and post them regularly. For instance, if you're an AI-powered content creator for local businesses, share AI-generated social media posts for hypothetical clients in your niche. Showcase the results of your AI-assisted work. If you're designing digital planners, show a beautiful AI-generated planner page. If you're writing property descriptions, show a before and after of a bland description transformed into something captivating by you and your AI assistant. This builds social proof and trust, attracting clients who see the value. Step 4. Price for value, not just time. Because AI makes you so efficient, you can deliver incredible value in a fraction of the time. Don't charge hourly if you can avoid it. Charge per project, or even better, create monthly retainer packages. For example, get 10 AI-enhanced social media posts and 2 email newsletters per month for X dollars. This gives clients predictability and you recurring income. Your efficiency with AI means you can take on more clients without burning out, multiplying your income potential. Remember, businesses pay for solutions to their problems, not for how long you spent on it. If AI helps you solve their problem faster and better, that's incredibly valuable. The future of work isn't about AI replacing you. It's about AI empowering you to do more, earn more, and live with greater financial freedom. These aren't just side hustles, they're foundations for real, sustainable income streams in 2026 and beyond. This is how everyday Americans are building wealth and control in a changing world. Ready to stop scrolling and start building? If this video opened your eyes to what's truly possible, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable finance and real estate insights. And for a free blueprint to kickstart your first AI service business, click the link in the description. Let's build your future together.